1500 rated watts and 1000 peak watts at less than 3% THD, weighs only 33 pounds. Gas-powered, 2 120V 20-amp outlets, 2 USB outlets. Great choice for home use as an emergency backup in a power outage. Strong enough to run all your home essentials. Extremely quiet, extremely fuel efficient. As low as 52 dBA noise output and 12-hour runtime on a 0.79-gallon gas tank. Features: economy mode for maximum fuel efficiency, parallel capable. Combine your iGen 1500C with any other parallel port. Equipped Westinghouse inverter generator to increase available wattage and amperage. Requires Westinghouse parallel cord. Whether you need a power supply for home backup or for recreation, the Westinghouse iGen 1500C inverter generator is a compact and dependable portable power solution. It's versatile and easy to use, offering 1,500 peak watts and 1,000 running watts. Powered by a 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine, the iGen 1500C is engineered to automatically adjust its engine speed to produce only the amount of power needed to power your necessities for enhanced fuel efficiency. It's ultra-portable, weighing only 33 pounds, with a built-in carrying handle. The iGen 1500C is neighborhood and community-friendly, operating as low as 52 dBA, making it quieter than a normal conversation. Unlike traditional generators, the iGen 1500C safely powers sensitive electronic devices such as televisions, laptops, and mobile devices with clean and stable power at less than 3% THD. If you need more power, the iGen 1500C is parallel capable and can be paired with another parallel port-equipped Westinghouse inverter generator using the included Westinghouse parallel cords. The iGen 1500C has built-in safety features including low oil shutdown and overload protection, while backed by 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage and lifetime technical support. Customer ratings by feature: maneuverability, 4.6 star, portability, 4.6 star, noise level, 4.4 star, lightweight, 4.4 star.